Welcome to your weekly RV Gadget Fix. My name is Tony Flamia and I'm with the National RV Training Academy. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to this channel. Todd thinks that people only come here to watch Tech Tip Tuesday, so
2-Minute Tech Tip Tuesday.
Let's show them we love this gadget series. 90% of all RVs do not have any form of electrical protection, so that's why today's gadget is the surge protector. Well, doesn't the breaker panel in my RV provide electrical protection? Just like any house, the breaker panel in the RV is only designed to interrupt power if the amperage loads exceeds the circuit rating. This does not provide any protection related to voltage changes or any sort of input wiring issues. RVs today have a highly sophisticated electronic circuitry with an array of expensive appliances ranging from air conditioners and microwaves to LCD and LED TVs. The single largest threat to an RV's electrical system and appliances is pedestal power. Either miswired or faulty electrical power. Faulty power can result in significant damage to these appliances. Please do your own research, but make sure you choose a surge protector that's able to detect power surges, open grounds, open neutrals, low and high voltage, overheating plug, reverse polarity, miswired pedestals, high neutral current for 50 amp models, and elevated ground line current. That's a lot of words. But you want to make sure that your surge protector will continuously monitor these issues and be able to shut the power off to your unit, assess, and then restart. So what is over voltage and under voltage protection? Now this is really important. When over voltage, like over 132 volts, or under voltage, under 102 volts, when those conditions occur, the surge guard device will shut the power off to the RV. This predetermined value is selected as the point beyond which the electrical components, the equipment in your rig, is likely to be damaged if operating for an extended length of time. Let us know in the comments your favorite surge protector. Tell us how one of them saved you, or maybe one of them didn't. What I decided to go with was the Surge Guard by Southwire. It's the 34951 and it's a 50 amp. And this one here is able to do all of the things that I mentioned before. And it actually is a nice looking unit. A couple cool things on this. There is a wireless monitoring through Bluetooth. I've got a little T here that I can grab this and yank this off the 50 amp plug if it gets tight, because, you know, honestly, we want these not to be, we don't want these loose when you plug them in. If it goes in and it's super loose, well, that's where you're going to start creating heat and melting these plugs. So we want it to be nice and tight, and that's where this handle comes in, to where you can pull that out. There's also one behind here, so if you have your male on this side, you can disconnect your female. The female side also has a nice little weather guard, and it's covered when it's not in use, so you don't get a lot of stuff falling in there in the openings. It's got a nice little weather resistant padding, and yeah, this is a really nice looking unit. Seems to be built well, and we're excited to use it. If you'd like to learn how to take care of your own rig, maybe maintain and repair it while you're out on the road by yourself, go to rvtechcourse.com and download our home study course. Have an RV gadget you'd like to recommend? Post them in the comments below, and then check out some of our tech tips in our playlist. If you'd like to learn how to make money helping others by becoming an RV technician or RV inspector, go to nrvta.com and start today.